Welcome to Mr. Dickson's Learning Steps. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Dickson's Learning Steps. We're going to continue day 3 of our subtraction with 3-digit numbers using how to use 3 methods, which is writing the problem vertically, the numbers chart, and checking our work. Today's problem is 847 minus 247. So first step is we're going to write the problem vertically. 847, take away 247. Write it down just like that. Check. And then I'll create my numbers chart using the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. And then I'll draw a line. Looks like tic-tac-toe. First line above the line is going to be our top number, which is 847. Then our bottom line, bottom number is going to be under our line, which is 247. So we count how many hundreds we have in 847, which is 8. So I'll draw 8 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tens, I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I have 7 ones. So I'll draw 7 circles in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'll do the same thing for my bottom number, which is 247. So I have 2 100s, 1 and 2, and I have 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I have 7 ones in 247. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start in my ones place, and I'm going to count how many circles I have in the top number and how many circles do I have in the bottom number. So we know we have 7 in the top and we have 7 in the bottom. Now, I know normally our rule is that, hey, if my top number is bigger than my bottom number, then I'm able to subtract, which is correct. In this case, my top number and my bottom number is the same. So all I have to do is simply take away 7 from the top number. So I'll just cross these out like this. Let me make it darker. And I'll take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then I count how many circles do I have in my top number. I have 0. So 7 minus 7 is 0. And then I look at my tens place. Since I have the ones place solved, I will look how many circles do I have in the top number, which is 4. And I have the same exact number of circles in my bottom number, which is 4. And I know I have to take away 4 from the top number, which is 4. Cross that out. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 0 circles left. I have 0. Now I finally solve my hundreds place, which is 8 take away 2, or 8 circles. I have 8 circles in the top, 2 circles at the bottom. So I cross these out, and I know I have to take away 2 circles from the top number, which is 1, 2. And then finally, I count how many circles I have left, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just 600. All right, I did my numbers chart. Now I just write my answer where I wrote my vertical problem at, which is 600. Now I have to check my work. And again, simply checking your work just like it is on the other 2 problems, or the other problems that we have done. Add the bottom number to our answer, which is 247 plus 600. And again, in addition, doesn't matter if the bigger number is on top or the bottom number is on the bottom, it doesn't matter in addition. So 7 minus 0 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. And yeah, 7 minus 0 is still 7, but we're doing addition. And 4 plus 0 is 4. And then 2 plus 6 is, or grab 6 fingers in air until I count to 2 fingers. So I go 6, 7, and 8. Simply add that way. And so if my top number of my problem is the same as my answer when I check it, then I know I have done the problem correct. 847, 847. Again, if you have any questions or any comments, please upload those questions to me on our class dojo, or you can email me. And I also have 2 more problems that you can work on. And as you can see right there, work on these, submit your answers through Class Dojo, through our talking tool, and then we can go from there. But I really do appreciate all the input, all the work that you have been putting in, and so thank you for your time. And again, thank you for learning with Mr. Dickson's Learning Steps. Thank you for learning with Mr. Dickson's Learning Steps. Have a good day.